Our next topic is law of reciprocal proportion. So what is the law of reciprocal proportion? When two elements, suppose two elements I have taken hydrogen and sulfur. When two elements combine separately with a definite mass of a third element, oxygen is here as a third element, combined separately. So suppose oxygen and hydrogen when combined separately, then they will form H2O, and when sulfur and oxygen combine separately will form SO2. Then the ratio of their masses in which they do so. So their masses, okay, let's check their masses. When hydrogen combines separately with oxygen and form H2O, that time in H2O the ratio of masses of hydrogen and oxygen equals to 2 is to 16, obviously, because H2 is here, 1 is to 2, and for oxygen 16. So 2 is to 16. And what about the SO2? So in SO2, the ratio of masses of sulfur and oxygen equals to 32 is to 32, because atomic mass of sulfur is 32 and for oxygen 2 is to 16, then 32. Okay, let's continue the law. Their masses in which they do so is either the same or some whole number multiple of the ratio. Which ratio? In which they combine with each other. Means when they combine with each other. Okay, so let's check. When hydrogen and sulfur combine with each other, they will form H2S. When hydrogen and sulfur combine together, they will form H2S. So in this condition, what will be the ratio of masses? H2S, 2 for hydrogen and 32 for sulfur. So 2 is to 32, that is 1 is to 16. So okay, so why I left this part? Have you noticed this word definite mass? We have to fix the mass of third element. Suppose 32 is the mass of oxygen. So if 32 is the mass of oxygen, then we have to multiply this by 2. Why this by 2? Because here 16 is the mass of oxygen and we have to take 32. That's why we will multiply this by 2. Then we will get 4 is to 32. The ratio of masses of sulfur and hydrogen and sulfur which combined with a fixed mass of oxygen will be 4 is to 32. That is 1 is to 8. Equation 1 and equation 2. And when we solve equation 1 and equation 2, 1 upon 8 is to 1 upon 16. It will also be it will also be written as 2 is to 1. So they are in a whole number ratio. So this is the law of reciprocal proportion.